skies will be mostly cloudy tonight, with a 50%.
I told you that issue one. What are they going to say?
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Teller County in central Colorado, northwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado, until 11:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:41 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Fountain, Manitou Springs, Security, Falcon, Fort Carson, Cimarron Hills, Security Whitefield, Strathmore and Peterson Air Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Significant weather